Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and it's a bright, sunny day, and we're going to the food pantry. I'm so silly. Come on, let's see what we get today.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
I tell you, nieces and nephews, I need to roll those windows up when I'm driving. Okay, we're back at the Uncle Chris Food Pantry kitchen. Now, we did pretty good today. I want to show you what we got, and then I want to do another video today, which I'll probably show tomorrow. We'll have to see how that goes. Oh, what you do with all that mix-matched pasta you can get or have left over, okay? But for right now, come on, let me show you what we got. Ooh, I'm so excited. Starting from our left to the right, we have, we lucked out, whole shelled roasted almonds. I'm going to have Miss Brenda make some of her ginger almonds. They are so good. Okay, let me stop. Oh, my favorite, dried cherries. These are wonderful. These are better than candy. Give these to your kids. Not only are they chemical free, they're low in sugar. This is really good. Now, I don't know if they're good for diabetics because there is sugar in these, but at least it's a natural sugar that your body knows how to break down. Artificial sugars are not good for you. Your body doesn't know what to do with them, okay? And in cases of diabetes, it can make it worse. It really can. All right. Ooh, walnuts. I love these. Miss Brenda makes some sweet walnuts. Oh, they are so good. So good. I think they're cinnamon sugar. Yeah. And then we got some oatmeal. Now, we can use these for oatmeal cookies. Yes, we can. Then we got some hamburger helper. Now, of course, I just use the pasta. I don't use the flavoring kit. You can go to my video. I'll make a link down below as to how to make your own salt-free hamburger helper. So if you have high blood pressure, you can now enjoy hamburger helper again without all the salt, and it tastes just as good. Yes, it does. Make it, you'll see. I'm a man of my word. We got some macaroni and cheese dinner. 2 of those. Once again, I just use the pasta and I make my own macaroni and cheese sauce. You can see my video on that too. I'll put a link. Now, they gave us something which I truly love, and anyone who knows Uncle Chris and watches the videos knows I love water. We got some, I don't want to say the brand name because not sponsored, but we got some purified water, and we got some natural spring water. Now, natural spring water is my favorite. I've even cooked with these. I love it. Ooh, and then we got some tea, some green tea. Now, look at this, y'all. I got 2 cans of spaghetti sauce, and then I got a can of diced tomatoes. So I'm going to show you on the next video how to make my crazy pantry pasta. And it's wonderful because it's filling. It goes a long way. You can even freeze it and save it for the next time you want some. If you've got a big family, this is the way to stretch the budget. I can show you how to feed 8 or 9 people off of this one meal. Yep. Now, we got some veg all, which I love, mixed vegetables. And my favorite, no salt, whole kernel corn. Absolutely delicious. Then we got some diced tomatoes. Potatoes. Potatoes, you know what. Oh, man. These come in so handy for a quick casserole dish. Or, I can show you guys, which I haven't showed you how to do, make a potato soup out of these. Loaded baked potato soup. I'll show you. I will show you because I love that. Okay. We got some pink salmon. I can get Mr. Dean on the scene back finally to do his Cajun crab cakes and stuff, his seafood cakes as well. Or his, what does he call them? salmon croquette, no, salmon croquettes. He can do that for us. I got some cut green beans. I've got 2 cans of mixed fruit, which Jay loves to make smoothies out of these. I make pies out of them, but I still love them. I really do. Then we got that dynamic duo, peanut butter and jelly. Oh, yes. Now let's jump over here. I got a whole wonderful, I think it's a 5-pound bag of potatoes. These are great for baking, for dicing up. They're the golden kind. Oh, my refrigerator's humming. Hold on. All right, that's better. As I was saying, you can dice these up with a little olive oil and some spices. Oh, so good. And someone requested for me to do fried potatoes and onions, so I'm going to do that with some of these, yes. Now, we got a whole thing of green peppers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Am I counting that right? Yes, I am. 7 green peppers. Now, these are also going to go in to my crazy pantry pasta because it's like a lasagna, but not. Like a spaghetti, but not. But you do bake it. Now, we've got, let's see, a tropical treat here, y'all. Look at this. We got oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 3 mangoes. 1, 2, 3. Now this one, I'm going to cut off the bad part, but I can still use this one. It's overripe, so you know what I'm going to use this for? Drinks. I'm going to show you how to make a non-alcoholic, or if you choose to add alcohol to it, you can. A margarita with the chamoy and the tajin around the rim of the glass. It's a wonderful mango margarita. You're going to love it. I'm just running at the mouth. Now, we got a fresh pineapple, which I'm going to use this for so many things. Maybe some drinks. Maybe I'll add it to the mango margarita. And look at this. I'm going to cut the top off and make me another pineapple plant. Yes, I am. Then we got us, what is this? Cantaloupe or a honeydew? I believe it's a cantaloupe. Or is it a honeydew? I don't know. I get them confused. I believe that's a cantaloupe. All right, look at this. We got a plethora of apples. I got enough apples here to choke a horse. I'll tell you. Whoa. Let's see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 apples. Jay is going to go crazy. As you all know, Jay loves some apples. Oh, and he's going to be back for a special video. Now, we got some chicken. Oh, we got some chicken thighs. These are some big thighs, I tell you. It's a full pack. And then we got some chicken drumsticks. I smell a barbecue coming on. Yes, I do. Because guess what? Oh, I have been waiting to get this ground chicken. I make grilled chicken burgers, barbecue grilled chicken burgers. They are delicious. I'm trying to get this in focus. There we go. A whole pound. I can make some chicken burgers on the grill that you will just love. Now, I'm going to pan and show what all we got. Ooh, nieces and nephews, we did very good today. Now, always remember, it is a blessing to receive this. And try to bless others. If you know someone who needs food, help them out. If you need food and you're in my area, please write to me. I would be glad to help you out with some food. That's not a problem. I want you guys, please, if you're watching this video, spread me around. Okay. Tell your friends about me. That's better. Now, tell your friends about me. Tell everyone you know about me. And if you know someone who needs help, tell them about me. Like, comment, subscribe. And if you want to buy me a cup of coffee, that's good too. Now listen, I love you guys. And I love when you write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef @gmail.com. Okay? Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef @gmail.com. I don't know why I'm so crazy. Something in the air. All my life. So when you write to me, you can talk to me, chat with me. I don't care. I love you guys. Joe, the garden is yes. Victoria, oh my God. Devra, let me know if you guys are going to do a garden too. Even if you have a small area, a patio or something, put some stuff out there, okay? All right. Now listen, we're going to be making that crazy pantry pasta tonight. So I'm going to try to get that video up as soon as possible, okay? All right. Big love from Uncle Chris.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking?